Alright. Oil's hot. Let's make some fried rice. Crab fried rice. First the rice. I like to make it in small batches. It's gonna heat up pretty quickly. That was olive oil, probably zini oil. Don't cook when you're hungry. I'm just gonna wooden chopsticks so I don't burn myself when this gets hot. And I forgot the aromatics. Tempted to start over again, but it's started, so. See, you're supposed to start with whatever, like, herbs you're gonna put in first. If you have garlic, put the garlic in the oil first. Fact, so we got time to do that, right? Like, we got time to do that if we want. Sprite frying the rice here. Frying all the rice. Sticky rice. Okay. This is probably bad practice. But if you want good practices, go to somebody more experienced than I am. You are definitely barking up the wrong tree. These are things that are easy to do, easy to screw up, easy to fix after you screw it up. It's important to fix things after you screw it up. So, oil. Let's chop up some garlic. Let's chop some garlic. And some green onions. Green onions. Pretty full of garlic. I found this at a store. I found this at the Asian market. It's like, this is really convenient. Ceramic knife. Any knife will do, obviously. We're just cutting here. You're probably supposed to do it like this. Oh, well, like that. Not even close to it. So. Great. Create a shadow with the knife. You know what? This is not exactly going according to plan. But finely chopped garlic and oil. As long as you don't overthink this, it's all going fine. I overthink things. It's not going fine, see? Garlic, make sure that mixes in. I'm just going to cut up this similarly. base of the knife. See where all the action is. And avoid cutting yourself. You can see I suck at most of this. This is not a great job. Doesn't need to be. Just gotta cut it up thinly enough that it gives you surface to go into oil. We're gonna cut up more of this for presentation later. Cutting board is dirty from coriander earlier. Alright, see if we can incorporate this oil, these activated herbs, into our dish. Try to keep the rice inside the pan. Not doing a great job at that. I'm doing a bit of verticality with my stirring. Hope you can see that. It's not great, but better this than really wet rice. So it's cold, so that we know that all the water has evaporated out of it, or that the water is at least static. Otherwise you get all this evaporation. Alright, now I'm using Kikkoman soy sauce. Can you read that? It's not even important the brand, but what you don't want to do is just want to point out, so yeah, this is just water. Okay, let's see if we can read that. Water, soybeans, wheat. 3 simple ingredients. This, like, that's a long ingredients list. It's 3 lines long, tall. And the first 3 ingredients are brown sugar, brown sugar, and water, and then soy sauce. Not great. That's basically a syrup. You can use it, you can drizzle it on later if you want. If you really like your, if you want it to be sweet. Or, if you like that kind of thing, I guess you can use it. But this is Kikkoman. It's nice and strong soy sauce. I'll write a script later. Figures me, I'd start with a mistake, right? So about right for it's fine. It's about right for something I made, right? Those who know me know. I'm a little impulsive, and even the best made plans I make, I forget something. Yeah, totally on brand for me to start a video about making soy sauce for the making fried rice for the second time, mind you. And I forget to add something. I forget maybe the first step done properly. Oil, egg, the lights. These are, I like the fact that these eggs are cage free. Makes me feel better about eating them. Dirty towel. I'll wash it later. So we've definitely incorporated it in. Let's take a look at this, shall we? Crab paste. I don't know. Should be fine. Actual crab. Claw meat. All of it. It was like half. That was like half of it. Mixing it up. I mean, you don't, if you hadn't realized, like, it's mostly done already, right? Like, no, I'm just adding stuff. If this was like chicken, I'd have maybe fried the chicken in some soy sauce earlier, or marinated the chicken in soy sauce earlier. Oh, shrimp fried rice. Don't add water. Adding a top. This is going to steam. If you're gonna add water, add a sauce instead. This is fish sauce. I don't know if you can make out the word fish sauce, but it is. That's what it is. Trust me. Oops. Try to get it inside the pan, and not everywhere else. It's a very bad smell. I mean, it's strong, so. Oops. Well, anyway. Alright, so that took a while. That actually took. I mean, it's supposed to say, I think they say shrimp takes about 2 minutes to cook. You'll note that the shrimp, not all the way down, all the way through for all of them, right? It needs to be opaque all the way through. Oops. This one's done. So, this shrimp is opaque all the way through. Pink on the sides, which, yeah, I'm going to have to do some color correction on this later. There we go, pink. Back focus. Alright, now that all the things that are going to cook are cooked, it's going to be very hot. Bonus round. string beans. Frozen before, these have been thawed. Otherwise I'd have put them in long before, right? Just a handful, because any more and it's probably cold all over again. And we're going to stop cooking again. Well, again, everything that needs to cook is cooked already. So, just about any vegetable could have gone at the end, as long as it was cooked all the way through, otherwise you'd have to thaw it in the pot with everything else. Which, I think I'll turn it off now.